Hello people and welcome to Follow Internet. In this video I am going to show you how can you install Kali Linux and download Kali Linux for VMware workstation. Type Kali Linux, enter. Google will appear first link that kali.org. Click on it. Now click on download. Installer images recommended. Click on it. A little scroll. 64-bit. Click on this down arrow icon to download Kali Linux ISO file. Top of the right bottom corner down arrow, click on it. It will display our downloading process. After complete your download, close your browser. Open up workstation. Open your VMware, which can be any version. Process pretty much similar. Create a new virtual machine. Click on it. It will gives virtual machine wizard. We are going with typical recommended. Click on next. I will install the operating system later. Click on it. Next. Our guest operating system Linux version Ubuntu 64-bit. Click on next. Our machine name Kali 64. We are going to choose location from where we want to launch our machine. In that case, we are going to choose D drive. Make new folder. Click on it. Our folder name Kali 64 by Numan. Enter. Now select this folder. Click OK. You can see location changed. Drive D. This is our machine folder name that we are created now. Click on next. Click on next with default. Customize hardware. Click on it. Now click on memory. We are going to select up to 4 GB. Click on processors. Number of processors 2. Virtualization engine. Click on it. CD DVD SATA. Click on it. Use ISO image file. Click on it. Browse. Click on it. This is our Kali Linux ISO file you are downloaded before. Select it. Hit open. Here you can see this link appear. Now close. Click on it. Hit finish button. Our virtual machine successfully created. Now we need to launch it. Power on this virtual machine. Click on it. It will take a couple of steps that you need to follow carefully. After getting this prompt, graphical install, click on it. After getting this prompt, we are going with English. Click on continue. You can select your location. Click on continue. Continue with American English keyboard. This is okay for me. Continue. Now we are almost done. Our host name Kali. It's okay for me. You can change it. Click on continue. Our domain name Numan. Click on continue. It will take full name, in that case Numan. Click on continue. It's okay for me. Click on continue. You need to create credential password. Retype your password. Click on continue. You can select time zone. Click on continue. After getting this prompt, partition disk, we are going with guided use entire disk with default. Hit continue. Continue. This is talking about partition schema. We are going with all files in one partition. Click on continue. Click on continue. It will talking about partition changes. Click on yes. Continue. Click on it. After getting this prompt, we can just click on continue, going with default. After a long time, we can get this wizard. Install the grab boot leader. By default, yes. Click on continue. After getting this prompt, dash or SDA, click on it. Now click on continue. If you follow this step, then you can ignore grab bootloader installation error. So be careful. Now our installation completed. It's time to boot. Our installation is complete, so it's time to boot into new system. For that, click on continue to boot our system. Now rebooting our Kali Linux operating system. Welcome, our Kali Linux successfully installed on our VMware. It will take credential. Before you are created your username, in my case no one. It will take password. Now click on login. That's it. You should now have Kali Linux installed and running in a VMware virtual machine. Remember to keep your Kali Linux system up to date and use it responsibly for ethical hacking and security testing purposes. Thank you for watching this video.